Have you ever wanted to budget, but you don't want to pay for an app? This budgeting system solves that problem. What you're immediately going to see is a few buttons. These buttons will allow you to add transactions and income. There is also a summary over here which tells you how much you have earned in the month and how much you have spent in the month, and this rolls over every single month. You can easily see your transactions and your income for each month, and every new transaction that you add will be sorted by the month automatically. Now this is just the free version. Let me show you the standard version that I have crafted. Now this is the standard budgeting system. This is the creme de la creme. Every single new month it will automatically roll over and you don't have to delete anything. And there is a yearly rollover, so no longer will you have to delete the transactions in January every time a new year starts, or February or March. It automatically rolls over to the new year, which means that you can track your expenses every single year, which is why I added a yearly tab. That's right, you can see every single year. There are categories that you can add, that you can move around, that you can rename, and you can set allowances in each of the categories, and it will tell you how much you have left over based on how much you have spent in relation to the allowance that you have set. You have a summary up here that calculates your allowance that you have set for each category, adds it all up, puts it all right here, and it calculates how much you've earned in the month and subtracts that and tells you how much you have left over to add to even more allowances. It also calculates how much you have earned in the month, and you can sort each of these by how much you have earned in the year and how much you have spent in the year on each category. I'm going to have a pro budgeting system here before too long, so stay tuned. But yeah, this is what I have so far. I hope that you like it.